meant to be driven, baby. She meant to be driven. My baby been sitting still for at least 5 years, y'all.
My back is against the wall.
Gang, what it is. I'm gonna take these headphones out my ear because I can't even hear myself talking. But what's going on, gang? Back out here for another video, man. This is like part 3 of the, you know, rehabilitation of my baby, my first vehicle, the Corvette. Today I'm doing something, I'm hoping it's fairly simple. Today I'm doing something fairly simple. Hopefully, I'm just gonna change out plugs. Actually, I need to go and get that from my truck. Changing out plugs. What else? Got plugs and wires. And basically, we just flipping out the plugs and wires. And hopefully, you know, change the redo the timing. And she should be running, y'all. Keep it simple as that, man. I got the plugs and wires here. 1 second to get situated here, y'all. Okay, so we got our plugs here. 2 boxes, 4 AC Delco. If you look at that distributor cap right there, Delco Rennie, which is AC Delco, you want to stay with the same you know, products that were used on the car originally. Just makes for a better run. That's with anything, not just this. But yeah, we got AC Delco spark plugs there, 8, and then we got our wires here. So we're just gonna flip this out. You see, I already got a socket down in there. In a second here, I'll tell you which kind this is here. You see right there, 5/8, 16 millimeter. 1 socket, 1 extension. Just enough to get up in there. Now I think that last one back there is gonna be kind of tough, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. And we got 4 on this side, and then we got 4 on the other side over there. So I'm gonna try to probably time lapse this as I knock this out. I don't know if I can set the camera up anywhere where you guys can see it, but I mean, you see what I'm doing though. So I just popped this guy out right here. Pause this music, so I got my headphones in. So I just took this out. This is a old spark plug right there, old one. The box of 4 comes in their own pre-boxes too inside the big box. So got 1 right there. I'm just going to replace 1, take the new one out, and put the old one back in this box and throw the new one in immediately. baby, she's meant to be driven. My baby been sitting still for at least 5 years, y'all. I see the number keep going higher and higher. I said 3 years first, now 4 years, now 5 years. I really don't know how long it's been, but it's been a long time since she done hit the streets and driven. Been driven, drove, whatever the proper context of the word, content of the word is. Yeah, man, I'm super excited, man. Something to keep me busy until the Mamba is back up and running. Got a nice little project here, man. I hope y'all enjoy it, man. This car means the world to me. Quick story time while we on our way over to Jose's shop. When I was about 10 years old, man, my dad was gonna sell this thing, and the guy came over, had the money and everything, and I lost my mind. Let me tell you, I lost it. Said, look, bro, you're not about to get my car. Pops told me this mine as soon as I turned 16. I was like 10, bro, I got 6 years left. You're not taking this from me, you gotta fight me for it. That man looked at me and then looked at my dad and said, I want that car. I really, really want that car. But I can't take this from little man. And my pops never tried to sell this car again after that. And you know, I became of age and he gave it to me like a real G, you know what I'm saying? He kept his word. And I love him for that and I appreciate him for that. And then we got into a little tidbit, you know, a little scuffle. Not a scuffle, but we got in, we didn't see each other, see the same way. I can't even think of the word, man, I can't even. We didn't see eye to eye, y'all. We didn't see eye to eye. He kicked me out the house, and this is when I was in high school. I was young, or in college, sorry. My 2 semesters of college. And he kicked me out, and that SIT over there, ooh, wee. Kicked me out, and took the car back from me, man. And he never really gave the car back to me. He tells people it's mine every now and then, but he never gave it back to me. So, like a G, you know what I mean? I'm going to pay for it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna just buy it from him. Buy it outright so I don't feel no way of, is this, you know, it's both of our car at the end of the day. That's my dad. And I'm gonna buy the car from him on a respect level. Yo, I don't want nothing given to me. I'm a hard worker. You worked hard for it. I worked hard for my Jeep, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna pay for it, and it doesn't change anything but the name on the title, but it's still his car, it's still my car, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna pass it down to my son, you know what I mean? And then hopefully, if cars are still touching the ground by the time my son's son is growing up, he'll drive this car, you know what I mean? So it's just one of them legacy type things, something that's been passed down for generation to generation, man. I love this car, and I plan on doing big things with it and making it famous as it deserves to be. The drive is pretty smooth. I got a rattling that I'm hearing on the bottom. Hopefully Jose can do something about that real quick, but if not, you know, I plan on taking it over to the car show tonight, and linking up with Catfish Corner. Well, maybe he'll be there, maybe not, but he's the one who told me about it. They do like a little cars and coffee, just kick it over in Crestwood. So that'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. I'm down with it, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on, enjoy some of this ride when I get over to Jose's. Hey. What's going on, family? I done pulled up to the scene, man. My man Jose out here wet sanding, cleaning this car off. Got this thing looking real spiffy, like he don't want to hit the vet up next though. Show y'all what's going on in here. Got the Blazer over there covered up. I don't know what this is. Must be a new project here. Oh, that must be the blue one to pick up. Y'all seen that right there. Chevelle up there running good. I ain't see this one yet. Got that joint nice and smooth. this look like a Firebird or something. See the T-top right there. Hello. Alright, gang, so right back at headquarters over here, man. Y'all see that thing sitting there, man. I'm about to get it nice and washed up, man. Head over to Crestwood and turn it this way. Head right over to Crestwood, man, and see what the folks think about it, man. It's gonna be probably a little bit dark by the time I get there, man. So need to rush. Need to get this done ASAP.